Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy shiitake mushroom soup. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of fresh shiitake mushrooms, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and some key aromatics. Make sure to have 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger and 2 cloves of minced garlic ready. We'll also use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to enhance the flavors. This recipe is designed for quick and delicious results. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped for cooking. First, gently clean your shiitake mushrooms with a damp cloth and slice them into thin, even pieces. Next, mince your 2 cloves of garlic and grate your 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil, like sesame or vegetable oil, in a medium-sized pot over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger, sautéing them for about 1 minute until they become wonderfully fragrant. It's time to bring all these delicious flavors together. Add your sliced shiitake mushrooms to the pot with the aromatics and cook them for about 5 minutes, allowing them to soften slightly. Then, pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth, ensuring everything is well combined. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, letting the flavors meld for about 10 minutes. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for that perfect umami finish. Your easy shiitake mushroom soup is now ready to enjoy. Before serving, taste the soup and adjust any seasonings to your preference, perhaps adding a pinch more salt or a dash of soy sauce. For a beautiful presentation and extra flavor, garnish each bowl with some freshly chopped green onions. Serve this comforting soup hot as a light and satisfying meal or as a delightful appetizer. This simple recipe yields approximately 4 delicious servings, perfect for sharing or enjoying throughout the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.